Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the next portion, that is for 1 belong to the field F. Since F, the field F with respect to the binary operator addition is an abelian group, therefore for any element of the field, the additive inverse of that element of the field is contained in the field. That is 1 is contained in the field, then minus 1 is also contained in the field F. Therefore, for any element of W, minus 1 contained in the field by the property third, minus 1 multiplied by y is equal to minus y, which contained in W. Thus, the inverse of for an element y contained in W, the inverse of each element of W is also contained in W. Thus, the inverse of each element of W is exists in W. Now, the next property, that is for any two element x and y and w, the inverse of each element of w is contained in w. Therefore, minus y is the inverse element of y in w as above, as it is proved in our above phenomena. That is for an element y, there exists the additive inverse in w. Now, the x plus y is equal to x plus y can be obtained from the addition of x and minus y, that is x minus y, according to the condition that is u and v are any two elements of w, then the difference of these two elements contained in w. According to that condition, according to the property number second above in hypothesis, and x minus y is equal to x plus y, this element is contained in w, that is w is closed with respect to the binary operator addition, that is w is closed under the binary operator addition. And for the next step, that is for each two element, if x is contained in w, then the inverse of the element x is also contained in w, that is the inverse of each element of w is contained in w, that is x and minus x are the additive inverse of each other, and the addition is above. Then the addition is above x plus y, x and y are any two element of w, then the addition of these two element x and y is contained in w. Therefore, the addition of, according to this condition, the addition of these two element gives the zero vector, which is also contained in w, as explained in this as above. Thus, w contains the additive identity element, which is the additive identity element of the vector space V over the field F. The remaining properties of vector space are also hold in W. Therefore, W is a subspace of the vector space V over the field F.